You're watching Rainbow Learn and Fun.
Hey kids, do you know what a computer is? It helps us play games, watch videos, and even do homework. But have you ever wondered what's inside a computer? Let's find out together. This is a computer. It has many parts, just like a robot. Each part has a special job. This is the monitor. It's like a TV. It shows pictures, videos, and everything you do on the computer. This is the keyboard. It has many buttons called keys. We use it to type letters and numbers. Look, this is a mouse. No, not a real mouse. Haha, it helps us click on things and move around on the screen. This is the CPU, Central Processing Unit. It's the brain of the computer. It helps the computer think and work fast. This is a speaker. A speaker is like a magic voice box in a computer. When you play a song, a game, or a video, the speaker makes the sound so you can hear them. This is a printer. A printer is a device that takes what you see on a computer screen and puts it on paper. It helps print pictures, letters, worksheets, and more. This is a hard drive. Computer's memory, where all files, pictures, and games are stored. This is a RAM, random access memory. A type of memory that helps the computer work fast but doesn't save things permanently. This is a motherboard. The main circuit board that connects all the computer parts together. This is a power supply. Gives electricity to the computer so it can work. This is a webcam. A camera attached to your computer that captures images and videos for video calls or recording. Yay! Now we know all the parts of a computer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.